first ever lipstick! Hi guys, I am back with my lipstick. So I have my faithful little notebook with me and we're going to test this lipstick based on a few things. How long it lasts, how well it lasts, if it has even colour and coverage, the cost to make it versus the cost to buy a lipstick of the same colour, the length of time that it takes to make, how easy it is to take off, how solid it is, the texture of it, the smoothness, if it's sticky or not, and then of course the fatal food and drink test. Since I only have the one lipstick so far, it's going to be put to battle against my faithful Yves Rocher lipstick. So this is a deep pink kind of colour, which clearly isn't what this one is. I always wear the same brand of lipstick because I like to stick to what I know. Lipstick, I used 1 teaspoon of beeswax, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of shea butter and a drop of beet juice. I then just melted it all over boiling water. It melts really fast, so it doesn't take long to make at all. However, I did kind of struggle with the beet juice somewhat. It went a bit powdery when I put it in at first, and so I had to heat the lipstick again, because you're supposed to put the colour in once you've taken the lipstick off the heat, but that doesn't really work too well because it dries so fast that you don't have time to add the colour and then pour it in the tube before it goes solid. So I do recommend adding the colour before you take it off the heat, otherwise it's going to be such a mess. So I don't know whether this is the reason why the beet juice went a bit powdery, because I had to put it in and then reheat it. I'm going to try it again with a bigger dose because, as you can see, it's turned out very light pink and it almost seems a bit lip balmy. So I'm not too sure about this one. I've not tried it on yet, so here it goes. I'm basically now just going to be testing this out all day, see how well it lasts, going to work, trying it out there, and then I will come back, jot everything down in my faithful notebook, and we'll see how it goes from there.